So guys, today I'm gonna play some Teardown. Okay, let's go to a mod browser. And today guys, I'm gonna do one of these mods. The bridge with physics build with traffic, that would be good. Okay guys, so we're in. Why is my camera not working? Okay, there. My camera's working. Aha. Yeah. Out. Okay, the blade's still standing. Wait, what would happen if I go down here and I put this? Uh-oh. So I'm gonna hack these cars and they're gonna come chase me. Oh shit, I should use this card to get out of here. Oh! I should go. The bridge just broke there. Okay, I think I escaped. Oh no. Okay, we should try to go. I got it. Luckily, I have a free revive. Okay. Yeah. I have an idea. I'm gonna fly up here, and that truck that is still somehow alive is gonna be hit by a meteor. Ooh! Shoot! I feel my meow! Still going? I have an idea. Hey, come here, tractor. Boy, it might be broken. Ow. Okay, I blew him up. Pretty sure. No! I forgot how strong this thing is. I gotta get back up there. Ah! I have a jetpack. Uh-oh! What have I done? Oh! Come on, let me in. Ooh. I should really use this as my bug. Actually, I could probably. next map. Okay. Okay, guys. Wait. We're going to another map. And what map? Oh, this one's gonna be good. Lakeisha Apartments. I have a big plan for this. Okay. So for this idea, I'm gonna recreate one of those shorts I made. But I gotta cut this off. I'm gonna show you how I actually made it. First, I cut off that part of the building where it's loose. Then grab the gravity gun and just it would start moving. And okay, so sorry about the lag, by the way. This is pretty laggy. It most likely will pop up on your screen. Okay, and after it's far enough in, I gotta hit L2 to remove the gravity effect. It's moving too much. Okay, stop moving. And then, but if the bottom is not too damaged, I could just chuck another thing straight at it and then break it even more. It should go straight right at the building. That's what we want. And then I'll crash into it. While it's doing that, we're gonna try to ride it, and I'm going to be destroying it from the inside. As I go to make it harder. So I can't use my jetpack to get up unless if I was about to go to the ground if I fall too fast. That's the only reason why I'll use my jetpack. Okay, we're going in. Oh, this immense ride. Now we get less views. It's fine. Okay, I need to go in that elevator right here. Okay. Uh-oh. Take cover. Okay. Now I died. And now because the game's like it's gonna take a pretty long time to stop. Okay guys. Yes. Sorry guys about this. Okay, there. We're back. Let's go back inside the building. Oh my god. Yeah, that's the other building. Maybe like an orchard that we could drive through. Neat. And that's the hole I blew through. Well, now the building's getting collapsed. But, hey, we need to get to the top to win and meet this. I can climb this big hole thing right here. Or maybe I can do like a boost jump and aha! Yup. I gained to okay. Okay, I got up. Let me see what's behind this wall. Oh, yes, the building. I can get away from all this smoke. Oh my gosh. Yeah, boy, I forgot about that. Well, maybe we can find a way to parkour. Okay. Wait, maybe if I blow down the building, and then okay, right now I'm making a video. I'm gonna make a video after this one. But I'm gonna be making it. You know, okay. So guys, right after this, I'm gonna make a video to I'm going to be holding it, so it might look a little janky. So yeah, maybe I can knock over the building, and it could fall over on top. So I got a 1. If this does knock it over, I can grab that plane and it can possibly knock it, and then I can walk one up to the top of it. Jump. I didn't die, so I won't get less views. Let me go. Hopefully the Omni Cutter has it can look like a gravity gun. You see in other tab down videos, so I can grab it and I can move it around. Oh, the thing it to get. What is that? What did I just do? Ooh. I said. Okay, keep on switching. Okay. I like the building slow. Okay. As we guys, the building will definitely fall from this. Okay, so now I can cancel all cuts, and now I can tip the building over. With the help of a certain thing called the gravitizer, the off-branded gravity, and that's something like that. Honestly, it looks pretty good. It does the job. I mean, I can just tip over the building like this. But I didn't realize how would I dodge shit from all the debris falling on me. I think I just dodged it. Yeah. guys. Wait, is it so sticky? I thought it stopped. No, yeah, it stopped shaking. Maybe if I'm working enough, it stays intact. So I can climb up to the top. But I have to make a huge leap. Okay, yes, the leap is working. Okay, guys, I made it. Okay, guys, now that we made it, you gotta land this. Wait, the building don't want it. That's what the problem is. So I gotta land this. Okay. Wait, I have an idea. So then the building so then the building could collapse and it still count that I'll use the weapons to make it so the building should slightly collapse. Okay guys, we're almost at the top. Just be good. We got this. Okay, the effect wear off. The gravity effect. So that means if you keep on climbing up, hopefully the other one didn't have to break because because I have nothing to get up there, and even if you ask me if I can use my jetpack, it's not working. Unless I can. Okay, jump this, guys. And every time I might make a boost, but it's like a mod pack I have that I can boost up in the air if I hold X. Triangle is the way how you use the jetpack. Like look, I'm gonna hit triangle. See? That's triangle. Okay guys. Hey guys, let me turn on my flashlight. Because the lights up here might be broken. Actually, mine is still working. I don't need my flashlight. So, guys, I'm gonna keep on going. Yeah, wait. I have to do something like this. Did I just see somebody just missed it? Okay, I did. I gotta go up to the next 40 before they explode. Oh, I'm still alive. Yes. Come on, use that rope to keep me up in the air as it falls, as the comes falling. Oh, the building did not like that. Yes, the big. No, the building's the big. No objective, even though I first wanted it to tip, if it tips, there's a chance that it will, oh, I gotta do this quickly now because the control is dying. So now, new objective, get upstairs before the whole time the door falls over. Aha! Luckily, because it collapsed, I can jump to this building using my ability. That's not my jetpack. I have ability mod by the way on, and that can help me get up here, but it goes like has like a usage, just like a power up thing. Okay. Nearly on top of that, the building. But thanks to this, the building that I cut down, I can use this to get to the top. And there's someone in the bathtub right there. I don't want to harm them. Wait, because the building, I think the buildings merged together. So like you see the brick wall, that means I'm at the top. Like, or am I? If I look it down, there's a building still there. Yeah, this is the top, because that's the brown building, and that's the white building. That means we made it. Yippee! And to celebrate that we made it, let me pull something out. We could blow down this multi-building before ending the video. So let's get them all. Wait a minute. Actually, hold on. We weren't fully at the top. I need to jump. And I need to touch this part. Please let me. Yes, I'm gonna hit it. Okay. I hit it. So any viewers that are smarty pantses, they would probably say that I didn't make it, but then because I hit that, they would say I made it. So let's go. Piano, turn on explosive pianos. Okay. Piano. Okay, now I have to use my jetpack. Explode everything. Oh, I might die from hitting the ground. I forgot about that. God. A piece of glass. I can land on that way part of my phone. Whee! Oh yeah, wait. I need to go. Buildings collapsing, and I don't want to die because I lost all my Levi's. Well, guys, I think we successfully destroyed the building, and I'll see all you guys in the next video. So bye bye, and make sure to like and subscribe.